Hi, welcome back to PIXIPACE. Hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to discuss Eyedropper tool. If you are facing the problems while selecting the colors in Adobe Photoshop, suppose you are doing painting and you're finding it difficult to select the different kind of colors at same time, then I am going to show you tips and tricks to select the color more precisely and more conveniently. So this tutorial is completely for you, and don't forget to write down your views about this video, and if you have any question please let me know at the end of this video in the comment section. So enjoy the video and learn something new. Okay, for selecting the color we need to use eyedropper tool, which you can use by clicking on this icon, or you can also use the shortcut that is I. Just click on this icon, our eyedropper tool is selected. First of all, I would like to clarify to you what is eyedropper tool. Eyedropper tool means it select the color in any area of Adobe Photoshop or in any area of document in Adobe Photoshop. So it's really useful to select the precise color. It select the background or foreground color at same time while just pressing Option or Alt key. So let's do some practical work for better understanding. For selecting the color we just need to use eyedropper tool. We don't need to do anything. For suppose if I wanna select this yellow color, then simply I need to click on this color or at this position. So it's really easy to use for selecting different colors. Just click on anywhere in the document area to select the different kind of colors. As you can see, it also moving the colors. Now our green color is selected as a foreground color, and if you wanna select the background color, then you can simply press Option if you are using Mac, or if you are using Windows then please click on Alt or press Alt key for selecting the background color, and select anywhere or click anywhere to select that particular color. Suppose our background and foreground colors are selected. Now let's understand it in a better way. Suppose you wanna complete information about the color like RGB, CMYK code and the exact location where you are selecting the colors. So for that, click on this little I button, which is a info icon, and here you can check. It automatically shows you the RGB color, CMYK color, also the position of that particular area, which is in x-axis or y-axis. And here it also shows the RGB value and CMYK value in the information tab. Now explore some more features of eyedropper tool. Like you can find two circles here. The outer circle is a gray circle, which is a neutral color. This circle is for better understanding or for the better selection of any color. And in internal circle there are two parts. One is like here you can find, now one is green and one is yellow. The yellow means, or the bottom internal circle part means, the last color we selected while using the eyedropper tool, or last color selected. And the current color which we are going to select, and it's on the upper part of that circle. You can check. Now our color is selected. Now our last color is green, so it shows the last color, which is a green color, in the bottom part of the second circle, and it moving the colors on upper part of the circle. And if you don't want to see the circle, then you can simply click on show sampling ring. Now it's not going to show you the ring or the circle of that eyedropper tool. Now by just clicking you can select any color without showing the or without seeing the circle. Here are some few functions like a sample size, point sample. Here you can find 3 by 3 average, 5 by 5 up to 100 by 100 average. What does it mean? So we need to understand about that. It means it will create a square in between the document to select the color. Like if you are using the 101 into 101 average, it means it will create 1 in 101 into 101 square or 1 by 1 ratio square, and it will identify the colors in that particular area. So let's understand it better by zooming on our picture. As you will find, there are some dark and lighter shades. So now our 1 by 1 average color or ratio is selected. So if I click on any, so let me show the sampling for better understanding. Now you can find I clicked on the dark yellow area, but it's not moving the color, it's not selecting the color. And on lighter area the color ring is again same, it's not changing the color. It means our square is now 100 into 100 pixels almost. So if we click on 3 by 3, now it means our square is smaller and it selected the square area to select that particular color. Now you can check our color is changed. Now it's selected the dark color, dark yellow color as it's shown in the screen, and now it's changing the color according to the area we are going to select. And if we click on that point sample, it means it will select that particular pixel color. You can check here it's moving the pixels or it's moving the colors as per our command on every pixel which is given in that image. So this is about point sampling size, sample size, but I prefer you don't need to change this, because if you want a precise color selection then you just need to like use the default settings, which is point sample. Or if you have any specific requirement, then you can use this function. Next is sample, all layers, current and below. Now if I click on all layers, it means it will select the color of all the layers in Adobe Photoshop. For better understanding, let's create few layers. Suppose this one. Now you can find we have three layers. One is our background, rectangle 1 and rectangle 2. So if I click on all layer and click on any layer or any part of the document, then it will select the color according to our commands. If I click on current layer, it means it will select only current layer color. Suppose I'm going to select rectangle 1 and I select current layer. If I'm moving the mouse anywhere without using the current layer area, then it will not select that color. So for selecting the current layer color, you need to click on that current layer. Suppose right now it selected the current layer color. If I click on current and below, it means it will select these two layers colors. It will not select the black layer color because it's the above layer of the rectangle 1. You can find it's not selecting the color of black layer, and it will select the color of background and the front layer. Next is all layers no adjustment, and current and below no adjustment. Adjustment layers mean which you used to manipulate the image, like you give the different kind of colors to that particular area. If you using no adjustment, it means it will select the original color of the picture or original color of any layer. It will not select the manipulated color of any picture. So I hope it's clear to you. Next few tips about this: suppose you are doing painting using brush tool and you want to select the color, then you don't need to move between two tools like brush tool or a eyedropper tool. You can simply press alt for window user or option for Mac users. Suppose I'm using Mac right now, so I'll simply click on option and select the color while using the brush. Like here now yellow is selected. You can find by using, or if you click on set foreground or background color, if you double click, then it will also automatically move to eyedropper tool to select the color by clicking on our document or by clicking on image. Okay, so this is about today's tutorial. In a short summary, I would like to say that for using the eyedropper tool, use the shortcut I. To use it, click on anywhere in the document to select the color of any particular area. And for if you want to see the complete information like RGB code or CMYK code and the exact location where we are going to select the colors, for that simply click on info icon. It will show you complete information about that. And there is a ring which shows the neutral color, which is the outer ring, and that ring is really for selecting the color more precisely. And in internal ring you will find two type of colors. In bottom side you will find the last selected color, and on the top of the ring you will find the current color which you are going to select by using the eyedropper tool. So if you are using the brush tool, you don't need to move between brush and eye tool. You simply need to click option or alt key for using the eyedropper tool. And if you don't wanna, like if you already select the eye color by using the brush, then simply release the alt or option key. It will move again to the brush tool. So I hope it's clear to you. And if you have any doubt or any question or any suggestion related to PIXIPACE YouTube channel or related to this video, then please let me know down below in a comment section. And don't forget to subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel and share it with your friends. So thank you so much for watching this video.